every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them turn the lights down right now, put me in the booth. I'm talking about dark room.
Dimalang, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and welcome back to yet another vloggy vlog. This is going to be a very chaotic vlog because it's a moving vlog. As you can see at the back there are like so many packed things, and also I have a lot to unbox when we get to like the new place, because some of the things I bought them towards the month end and I was like, no, I'll just unbox them when we get to the new place. So I'm just gonna take you guys through the whole moving and the settling in vibes. So right now I am heading out to meet up with my friend for a brunch. I don't know if it's a breakfast brunch or lunch brunch, because the time is around about 10:52. So I was supposed to meet up for breakfast, so I don't know if it's gonna be breakfast or it's gonna be lunch, but one of the above. Then after that I'm going to get like few boxes so I can pack my shoes, my bags, and like other remaining stuff that we've been using this week. So stick with me. I'll definitely stick with you guys.
She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. And she said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I just smoked already so hard in my blunt is. I see guys' pretty faces, so I got trouble trusting. But I let my guard down for you. Said I'll put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. No crib talk come through, it's time to break it in. 32 like my penny size, cause them niggas try breaking it.
First thing first, we are having hubby. There is and that's my friend.
Hi everybody.
So crusty.
That was.
This is the DJ, but you look at me.
I have to go.
And my face is breaking. You know, it's just some skincare that I'm using now that I don't like. I'm even going to throw it away. This one brand sent me some things. I don't even want to mention their name because I've never had pimples in my life.
It's 5 p.m. somewhere, child.
I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I'm a dog, I'm a mutt.
And if you hang up on a nigga, bitch, I call right back. Roll my windows up, dollar rolling windows up. Biscuit ass niggas wonder how I got my jiffy up. Grip so damn big, I need a diaper and a sippy cup. Someone tells Zendaya she my favorite, and she hit me up. Ha 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 ha, when I double park the laugh. That right ta ta ta, bitch, I'm stepping on the gas. She ain't never met no one who talk like that. And if you hang up on a nigga, bitch, I call right back. Like Leslie Green, bitch, I'm really hitting. You better put them palms together, bitch, I really sing. Know me and crack don't share daddies, but we really twin Okay, if she ain't got her shit together, she ain't getting in. Okay, see the bed top bunker, the boys got thumpers. I'm a bona fide face seat box muncher. She ain't never met no one who talk like that. And if you hang up on a nigga, bitch, I call right back. Yo, never in the Hamptons, dick riding in the white fit. Never raise a hand and strap on him like a dyke bitch. This dark work like night shift. I'm thunder, I light shit. I flood this, I flood that. I swim good, I'm white, I'm fit. Hey T, why you acting hard? I'm like David, please. I'm not with that shit, bro. That's why I'm paranoid now, cause niggas weird and really bums. I'm paranoid now, cause niggas weird and really bums. I'm paranoid now, cause niggas weird and really bums. I'm paranoid now, cause niggas weird and really bums.
Down sunset, in every place, in every face.
Tell me, do you see her? She's living her life. Even if she acts like she don't want the limelight. But if you knew, she lives her life. She calls her paparazzi, then she acts surprised. Oh, I know what she needs. She just want the fame, I know what she needs. Give it a little taste, run it back to me. Put it in the place where it's to people. Ooh, every night. She prays to the sky, flashing lights. It's all she ever wants to do. Begging on her knees to be popular. Buy her dreams to be popular. Kill anyone to be popular. Sell her soul to be popular. Popular, just to be popular. Everybody scream cause she popular. She mainstream cause she popular. Never be free cause she popular. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Money on top of me, money on top of her.
Gotta own it, that I'm alright. You can't take my soul without a fucking fight.
Oh, I know what she needs. She just wants the fame. I know what she needs. Give it a taste, run it back to me. Put it in the place where it's to people. Ooh, every night. She prays to the sky, flashing lights. It's all she ever wants is begging on her knees to be popular. That's her dream to be popular. Kill anyone to be popular. Sell her soul to be popular. Popular, just to be popular. Everybody scream cause she popular.
Hey vlog, good morning. I hope you guys are doing good. Oh my goodness, it has been a hectic week, I must say, because I was quite busy moving. Yeah, but today I just want to thank God for everything in my life. I just want to thank God for his love, for his mercies and his blessings. I just feel like God has been taking care of me so much, and I don't take that for granted. I really thank God, because if it wasn't because of him, I wouldn't be where I am right now. You understand? I moved in yesterday, and guess what? I slept in a house with no curtains. I slept in a house with no curtains. Like, let me show you guys. Yep. So I think today that's when I'll be arranging the curtains. And also I don't have the fridge yet, washing machine and the TV. So that will be sorted by next week, I guess. And also I've been lazy, or should I say I'm still tired. So the cleaner will come tomorrow to come and like help me arrange everything in the closets. I didn't like really open the bags and stuff. I only took the things that I feel like I needed, like the gowns, the pajamas, like the clothes to change, toiletries. Yeah, so she will come tomorrow and get everything sorted in the house and like wipe the mirrors and everything, like just clean where she has to clean. And today I don't know what I'm gonna get up to, because I'm still tired. Like my body is still tired. I need some massages. So I'm just gonna wake up, do my face, like some skincare routine, and yeah, unbox the things that I bought. Like, do you guys remember on the previous clips I said I have so much to unbox? So I think this is the right time for me to unbox, so that when the lady comes tomorrow, she can like pack everything in the cupboards and also clean up like the papers and stuff. So yeah, peace out and stick with me, my loves.
Money on top of me, money on top of Daddy for me, cause you don't pop up. Daddy for me, cause you don't pop up. You get money, I'm keeping it. I'm getting can, I'm keeping it. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Daddy for me, cause you don't pop up. Popular, born to be popular. She ain't that 20 mil, but she running up. She can never be broke, cause she popular. Tell her what came on for the followers. To be popular, that's a dream to be popular. Kill anyone to be popular. Sell a song to be popular. Popular, just to be popular. Everybody scream cause she popular. She mainstream cause she popular. Never be free cause she popular.
Tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? That last till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you.
Act like I never left her knees. I'm just gonna do the unboxing right now for the things that I had bought you. I'm so tired. Wait, where do I even start? I don't know if I love Carol Boys or I'm obsessed with Carol Boys. I already have these cups. I was just adding 2 more to the set that I already have because I want to always accommodate my friends when they are around. When they are around. So yep, I bought even these bowls for breakfast in the morning. Conversations are boring. How many did I buy then? This one. I think I bought like 2 each or 3 each. I don't know. So I was just topping up everything. Where's the other set? Where is the other set? It should be in other boxes. What is this? Oh, good. Oh yeah. Conversations are boring. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. Get your breakfast day. Bahudura in an expensive bowel. As I'm like, there is no way I'm gonna try to eat healthy in a cheap bowel. I'm joking, guys. I am joking. Ooh. I really love nice things, eh? Sometimes just feel like I just feel like what do you call it? I just feel like God is not giving me enough money because He knows that I'll spend my money on buying expensive things. Because that's just me. I will buy expensive things that will last me longer. On a what do you call it? On a dinner with my man. But I'm joking, even my friends. I love my friends so much, so I'll definitely make dinner for them. And they also gave me this book. They gave me this book. They said, it says the art of creating a beautiful life. Ooh, so I'm about to create a beautiful life. Isn't that cute? Isn't that cute? And what else do I have here? Let me move these things. How am I gonna move them? If you know me, you know I love nice things. Oh, this is like more cups. More cups. Because I feel like even my visitors, they should drink in nice cups, you understand? I can't be drinking on nice cups and I'm giving my visitors a different cup. No, it doesn't make sense. It does not make any. Oh, this here is the cups. Do I even open it? Hey. Why is it giving me so much stress, Ratu? I'm a soft girl. I don't like this. I don't like this. Now I have to be sweating because of a cup. No ways. In the morning, conversations are boring. Ooh. And I bought myself some canisters. Ooh. For my sugar, my coffee, and my tea bags. Ooh, I love it already. I said I'm in love. Oh baby, let me cover you. Ooh. Wow. Ooh. I am a happy customer. Carol Boys, I'm your loyal customer. What? The second one and third one, yeah, I bought 3 of them. That one is for the sugar, the coffee, and what do you call it? And the tea bags. Go down. And I also bought the air fryer. And also bought like this air fryer plate. Looking for the knife. Oh, here it is. Dinner in my home is gonna be lit. It's is it Bennett Red brand. Ooh. I remember this. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I'm sure my son is gonna be happy when he gets here and finds the air fryer. Because he really loves it. He used to ask me, when are you getting it, mommy? When are you getting it? And finally I got it. Ooh, so that I might as well just make it later. Yeah, it's big. It's big for me. So happy. Like 100% happy. I don't even know where to put it. But anyway. I am a happy customer. And what else? Just so many things to unbox, eh? And I also went to Jet Home. I bought these things from Jet Home. It's the glasses, like the water glasses. It's the glasses. I bought a set of this. I think I bought 4 each. And I also bought these ones. So I'm not gonna unbox everything. And I bought these ones. So I bought 4 each. And I bought these ones. I think I also bought these small ones. Yes, I also bought these small ones. So I bought 4 each of these glasses. So I'm not gonna unbox everything now because I feel like time is going. And the vlog is going to be too long. Oh no, I also bought these ones. 4 each. This one. There's just a lot going on. This is what I bought. So I bought 4 each of these. Let me just put everything here because I still have another thing here. And I also went to pick home. Oh no, this one I think I bought it from Halo in Foy's Mall. I also bought these straws for the smoothies. And what else did I buy? Oh, I also bought these brushes. I'm gonna use them to like scrub the shower or the floor. And I bought this one for Ayo for his hair. I bought this at Pep. I'm gonna store fruits in this. Yeah, some fruits. And this. This as well. Yeah, and some spoons. Forks. Teaspoons. I was in my shopping spree era. What is this? Oh, the egg thing. This is that stores the egg. And that's everything I bought. That's everything that I needed to unbox on this vlog, guys, on my moving vlog. Last but not least, guys, I am selling Archer, and I would really appreciate if you guys can support me. Place your orders, and you can do collection in mid-range. You can DM me on Instagram, or you can, yeah, there's my number on Instagram, on my Instagram post. You can DM me on Instagram. You can place your order. There's a small, let me show you guys. There's this smaller one, Jesse's Archer, or this big one. So you guys should place your orders. This smaller one is 50 rand, and this big one is 80 rand. I would really appreciate it if you guys can support my business. Let me be able to pay bills and be able to live the soft life that I deserve. So yeah, DM me on Instagram to place your order. You can collect it in mid-range, or you can send Uber bike or just Uber to come and collect for you. I love you guys, and thank you for tuning in.